Hey there, and welcome back to Tim Talks Cooking. Today, we are talking classic deviled eggs, my friend. That's right, classic deviled eggs, and it's a totally ketofied recipe. You're going to love this, so let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make this simple, classic recipe. Starts off with a dozen eggs. If you count these here, you'll see there are only 11. I used one in my last video when I made the eggs, so we're just going to use 11 here. You use 12, that's all right. You can see that I've cut some in half. We're going to cut them all in half in just a moment, as I'm sure you know. Also, a half a cup of mayonnaise. This is no-carb mayonnaise that we bought at the grocery store. You could also, of course, use your own homemade mayonnaise. I'll put a link for that up on the screen. 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, of yellow prepared mustard, not Dijon mustard. You're also going to want some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. I'm going to start by cutting each of the eggs in half lengthwise and carefully removing the yolk in the center. Comes right out. There we go. And I want to reserve the white part for later. You know we're going to fill them up with the mixture we're making here. I've finished removing the yolks. I'm going to add the mustard. Get on with that in there. And then I'm going to combine these ingredients just by mashing them together with a fork. I'm also going to add a pinch of kosher salt or 2 and some freshly ground black pepper. Not too much. I'm going to continue combining this until it's in a nice, smooth, uniform paste. Then fill the egg white halves with the mixture of the yolks, the mayonnaise, and the mustard. I use 2 spoons and simply push it into the hole in the egg white. We got this fun little deviled egg plate in the airport in Cancun several years ago. Very funny, I think. Anyway, a little sprinkle of smoked paprika, and we have the classic picnic favorite that so many love. Look at that. Well, all right, let's give this a try here, man. I think they look great. They're adorable. Oh, that's yummy. I really love the tang of the yellow mustard in that. Just delicious. The whites are nice and tender. The inside is tangy and savory and lovely. I think you're going to like this dish. There are lots of ways to garnish it, so you do your own way. I like this classic way myself. Listen, thanks for watching us here at Tim Talks Cooking today. I hope that before you go, you will like, share, comment, and especially subscribe. Oh, please subscribe. Helps my channel grow and helps you find my videos. I upload a couple of times a week, so if you click on that notification bell, you'll know whenever I upload a new recipe. We'll catch you next time at Tim Talks Cooking.